Do you want to get out of debt and pay your debt as fast as you can? Do this spiritual work. Okay? It is not in God's will for you to be in debt. It is not in God's will for you to be begging for money every single time. It is not in God's will for you to be begging people before you can feed yourself. Okay? There are many ways where people get into debt. It may be as a result of their own decision, it may not be their decision. Some people, they borrow money to invest in a business, and the business would not yield anything. Now they are into debt. Some people even go as far as helping people borrow money, and this other person will not be able to pay that money again. Now the debt is on their head. Now, what do you do? Whether it is your problem, whether it is you that caused this debt to come to you, or maybe it is not your fault, whatever the situation is, God is ready to help you. And for the fact that you are watching this video now is a blessing to you. It means God is ready to deliver you from your debt problem. So my name is Precious, and this is Precious Spiritual TV. You're welcome into this beautiful space of mine on the internet. This is your boy, Precious. Thank you so much for watching our videos. My returning subscribers, thank you for your support. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Do me a favor, join this big channel, subscribe to our channel, okay? And I pray God in His infinite mercy will solve your spiritual problems in the mighty name of God. So if you really want to get out of debt, if you want to pay your debt off, if you want to be financially abundant, I want you to do this spiritual work, because there are spiritual works that can definitely help you pay off your debt, because money is going to come to you in abundance. Whether you have a business, whether you have a job, whatever your situation is, God is ready to help you. So now what I want you to get are this. Get a piece of paper, please. A piece of paper. Get some cinnamon powder, okay? And make sure you get 2 pieces of garlic. 2 pieces of garlic. You need 2 pieces of garlic, and you need a marker, okay? And you need something like a toothpick. See, toothpick. So those are the ingredients that you need. 2 pieces of garlic, cinnamon powder, a piece of paper, marker, and a toothpick. Now, these 2 ingredients that I tell you, they're very powerful. These help you eliminate any form of negativity in your life. At times, these problems of death, lack, poverty, financial depression, they happen because you don't pay close attention. Most of the times, you don't pay close attention to your dreams, because before anything comes out in the physical, it has already manifested in the spiritual realm. Sometimes you have some dreams. Some of these in your dreams, they come in front of dreams. Personally, I'm somebody that I always speak to God Almighty in my dreams. I have a spirit of a gift of dream. So most of these things come in the dreams. And there are some people that don't care about their dreams. They say, oh, it's just a dream. Or dream, it's just, don't worry about it. But these things are very critical to your life. Some people dream about losing money in the dream. Some people dream about chasing money in the dream. Okay? Some people dream that they found huge amount of money, all kind of dreams. And The funniest part of it is that when some of these people wake up, they say they can't remember their dreams. Okay, that's another problem on its own. So you must have an idea of this in your dream, but it's just that you don't pay close attention. It's just that the devil, the enemy, make you not to remember your dream. So today, after this spiritual work, you'll be able to remember your dreams. You'll be able to solve your money problems. You will get out of debt. Money will come to you after the spiritual work. So now get all your ingredients out right now. Okay, you are going to hold this like this and grab your paper. You are going to write your name, your first name and your last name. You write it on top of that paper. I don't know if you can see that. And you are going to write the amount of money that you are owing, the amount of your debt. You write it after, on the below your name, and you are going to draw this infinity symbol. Draw this infinity symbol to your name first, your debt, amount of your debt, and the infinity symbol. You're going to write all of that like that. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's what you're going to write. You can see that over there. You can see that over there. You can see that over there, right? So once you've done that, grab your garlic and you're going to take it like this. You don't have to peel this unless if it is dirty. You can wash it up a little bit. So take a little pinch of cinnamon, put it on the garlic. See, like this. Take the other one too, put a little pinch of cinnamon on it. That's all you needed. Okay, and you are going to take your paper. If you like, you can fold it if it is too big. Okay, you can fold it. You can fold it towards you. Fold it like this towards you. Okay, and put it on top of the garlic. You will put the garlic on top of it like this. See, that's what it's going to look like after that. Now you're going to take your toothpick, just push it through the top garlic, let it go through the paper. Okay, and it's going to go into the other garlic, the paper. So it's going to go through the paper like that. So that's what it's going to look like afterward. Okay, so make sure, take your time. If it's not going through, make sure it goes through so that you hold this together. So now you're going to take this, you're going to keep it where your money is, where you always keep your money. Okay, whether you have a business, whether it is in your purse, whether it is in your bag, whether it is where you keep your money, whether it is in your wallet, whether it is in your pocket, make sure you keep it there for the whole day, for 24 hours. Just keep it there, let it sit there. Okay, after the 24 hours, you will take it and you will pray over it. You will say, from today, this spiritual work, this garlic is going to bring financial abundance to me. It's going to make my money grow. It's going to bring money to me. It's going to bring riches to me. It's going to bring wealth to me from every part of the world. People will begin to bless me. My business will grow. My business will multiply. My business will grow in abundance in the mighty name of God. And from today, I will never beg for money again. From today, I will never beg for food again. From today, I will be commanding money. I will be living in an abundance of money in the mighty name of God. And I will pay my debt. And I will get out of debt in the mighty name of God. And I will never owe again. I will be sending money around. I will be chief commander of money in the mighty name of God. Once you've done that, take this and you are going to bury it in the soil. You have to dig the ground, you bury it in the soil. Okay, if you don't have a soil, put it in a potted plant. Buy a potted plant. You can get a bowl, put some soil in it, in a plant that is growing in a pot, and bury it beside it. If you don't have that, go to where there is a big tree, okay, and bury it beside it and leave it there and see what God Almighty is going to do in your life. The result is definitely going to shock you. It is a very powerful spiritual tip. It's simple, but it's very mighty. Go right ahead and do this, and please share your testimony on my channel. I want to believe that this video is helpful. If it is helpful, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let many more people see it. Give this video a thumbs up. For more spiritual videos, watch these videos over there. For more spiritual help, join membership on my channel. And as you do so, God will bless you abundantly. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Do this and let God Almighty surprise you. I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. I love you, and I'm sure you love me too. Bye-bye.